Let's start the new year off with some interesting tech news. The news is that Python, despite being 30 years old and being generally regarded as slow, unsexy, and dynamically typed, it's still the most popular programming language in 2025, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. This might surprise some of you because there are a lot of shiny new languages out there. Some of them are compiled, some of them are typed, and some of them are both. But Python, with its batteries included philosophy and high level of productivity, it's still killing it in 2025. How do I know this? Well, according to the TOBA Index and the Stack Overflow Developer Survey, Python is still leading the pack in 2025, and not just by a little. Python is dominating. So here's why Python continues to win. First, it's beginner-friendly. When people Google how to code or what is programming, they want to see results immediately. They don't want to be intimidated by something that looks like this. They want to see something that looks like this. Python's English-like syntax has allowed millions of people to learn how to code and build projects right away. Don't believe me? Just look at this ridiculous example from Automate the Boring Stuff. You can make this turtle dance by writing this much Python code. If you had to write this in C, you would probably stab your monitor. This is one of the reasons why Python is so popular. People can learn it quickly, and they can use it to build cool stuff right away. Second, Python is the de facto language for AI and machine learning. Most of the big players in the game, including Google, OpenAI, Meta, and Microsoft, use Python for their AI projects. Why? Well, there are many reasons. One of them is that NumPy, which is a Python library used for numerical computing, was created in 1995. That's a long time ago, and it gave Python a huge head start. Another reason is that Python is a dynamic language. This means that you don't have to compile your code before you run it. You can just run it as is. This makes it much easier to experiment with new ideas and prototypes. Also, libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are just really good. Finally, let's not forget about the community. There are thousands of tutorials, blogs, and forums dedicated to Python AI and machine learning. If you get stuck, you can just Google your error message and you'll find someone who's already solved the problem. Third, Python dominates data science. Whether you're doing research or analytics, the tools that you need are probably available in Python. Pandas, for example, is a library that's used for data manipulation and analysis. It's so good that people actually enjoy working with data. Who would have thought? NumPy and Matplotlib are also very popular for scientific computing and data visualization. And let's not forget Jupyter, which is an interactive environment that allows you to execute Python code and visualize the results. Fourth, Python has a massive community. No matter what problem you're trying to solve, someone has already solved it. You can find the solution on Stack Overflow or GitHub. This means that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just use someone else's code and focus on your own project. You can also find mentors and collaborators easily. There are tons of online communities where Python developers hang out. So if you're ever stuck, you can just ask for help and someone will be there to assist you. Fifth, Python is extremely versatile. You can use it to build web apps, automate tasks, do scripting, testing, backend, game dev, literally anything. And because it's so easy to learn, you can focus on building your app instead of learning a new language. So yes, other languages are gaining ground. Rust is becoming more popular, Go is becoming more popular, and even JavaScript is gaining ground in AI and machine learning. But Python's ecosystem is so huge, it's not going anywhere soon. What language are you learning this year? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun, honest tech talk. See you next time.